So we'll be unboxing this beautiful Oraimo Watch 2 Pro that was released recently into the market space. Apart from all the beautiful things that smartwatches do, like health, fitness, and all whatnot, this one also has the ability to make call. Like, you can use it to pick calls. It's a very beautiful watch, if you ask me. So unboxing it, we're seeing the different things it comes with. You can see the charger. This is the type of charger that it has, this magnetic charger. And that's about the accessories. There's nothing more, just okay, the guide, the paper guide, and the watch itself. So I brought it out, and then I tried to put it on. The power wasn't coming on. Like, what is happening? I know a lot of customers have started calling me, hey madam, this watch is not working. No, it's not like that. So I tried powering it on, it didn't come on. I just had to pause the video and went to charge it, and yeah, it is on. And we are moving on. You scan the QR code with your phone, and that is it. Mommy.